Good day, everyone. Once again, welcome back to our channel, and we've got Banner back here today. Yeah, I I just have to say thank you to Devin. Devin actually came here tonight, and he brought me this. And I'm sure lots of people, lots of you guys, have, oh ladies, have seen this, but I never tried this before. So Devin, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. Um, and I would love to try it. And everyone here wants me, and especially this guy is, we actually bright tonight. This guy is now carrying on with me. Yes, like
But
that.
we have to try. We have to
Exactly, we have to.
experience with new stuff.
Yeah, I don't think this is so hot. I've seen people eating this stuff, but I don't know. So we're gonna try it. Here's Carolina Reaper flavored extra hot chips, cheese puffs. I made here on the side a chip dip with some the bomb sauce. And this is a nice dip. It's not as hot, it's not clean the bomb sauce, it's just normal chip dip with mayonnaise and chutney and the bomb sauce. So we're gonna try this. And Devin, I want you also to come here. Oh my word. Is this the expiry date? What the hell is the
No,
expiry
the
date?
expiry date is only
Oh, November 2025. Okay, I saw that is the manufacturing date. November 2024. So then, Devin, you can join us at the back here. There's no
Yeah, you bought
escaping
it.
this.
You bought it, you have to try it.
Thank you very much, Devin. Here you go. Let's have a smell. Smells like just normal
It
cheese
smells
puffs.
like cheese puffs.
Just normal cheese puffs. Nothing major, nothing crazy. But yeah, let's just try this and just try it normal and it surely does. Wow, very nice, eh?
Fantastic.
Little bit of a kick.
A cheese call with a puff, with a kick.
Come, Chantel. You wanted the right one? It's a
No,
little.
it's no,
It's
you
a
have
little. No. It's a little kick.
to. It is
Nothing
a
major.
little kick.
Chantel, there you
It's
go. Try it.
nothing major to it.
Actually, very nice.
It is.
It's more cheesy
I
than.
think the sauce
It's actually,
that we made.
It is nice.
it actually is very nice.
It is. Come.
It's like the Doritos.
Come.